Sorry, party is not on my mind as yet. I'll have to wait until Friday. You're listening to Vivo 104 FM, the Bab of Bollywood. मैं हूँ RJ Puneeta आपके साथ, and right now with me on air I have the Chief Program Coordinator of the Great Indian Dog Show, Mansi. Hello, Mansi.
Hi, Sunita.
How are you doing today?
I'm doing good. How are you doing?
I'm doing absolutely fine. I heard about your event, the Great Indian Dog Show, so tell us a bit about it. I'm curious to know.
All right. Well, see, the Great Indian Dog Show is a show with a difference. Now, what makes this show so unique is, firstly, it's an exclusive show for adopted and rescued Indian dogs.
Oh.
So now, when I say Indian dogs, I'm referring to the Indian native dog, the crossbreeds and mongrels that we see so often in our cities, highways, villages, and, all over the place.
Mm-hmm.
And another point that makes this show, one of its kind, is that the dogs can just be themselves. Really, they don't have to perform tricks, walk in a particular way, or follow commands and stuff. They can just, sniff around, check out other doggies, pose for the photographer, an exclusive photographer just for them, eat some yummy treats, and walk the ramp with a human companion.
Oh.
So basically, the show will have a lot of fun categories and prizes. Nothing serious for them. It's just going to be like the waggiest tail, friendliest dog, the naughtiest puppy, and so on.
Oh.
And there's also a very interesting category, a personal favorite, that's called the serial kisser, which will go to the dog that licks his owner the most number of times in 1 minute. So basically, it's just a very fun event that's lined up for all the Indian dogs and their families in Bangalore.
Sounds like a lot of fun, Mansi, especially that serial kisser event. Anyway, when is this happening and where is this happening?
Okay, it's happening this Saturday, that is the 16th of March at 3 p.m. and it's going to be in Patel's Inn in Bangalore.
Okay, all right. I will definitely try and make it there. Thank you so much for all the information, Mansi, okay?
All right. Thanks, Sunita. Lovely talking to you.
Same here. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. If you're a dog lover and you've got a mongrel at home, you know where to go, to the Great Indian Dog Show at the Patel Inn, happening on the 16th of March, 3 p.m. onwards. Well, on that note, it's time for me to say tada, bye-bye, take care, have a lovely evening, keep smiling. Up next is RJ Derize with his show D Company. He's going to give you company all the way till 9 o'clock. And yes, connect with me on Facebook, RJ Puneeta Acharya, my profile, RJ Puneeta, my